In a sunny little garden filled with bright flowers and chattering birds, there lived a clever parrot named Polly. Polly wasn't just any parrot. She was known far and wide for her amazing ability to mimic the hardest tongue twisters. Every morning, children gathered around Polly's big cage, excited to hear her latest feats. One day, she decided to challenge them with a particularly tricky one. Polly fluffed her vibrant green feathers, clicked her beak, and said, "If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose?" The children giggled and tried to repeat after her. "If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose?" they stammered. Polly nodded and clapped her wings in delight. "Almost, but faster this time," she encouraged them. The children tried over and over, but every time their words got jumbled. They didn't mind though, it was all in good fun, and Polly's cheerful spirit made the game even merrier. Polly then added another twist-tastic challenge. "All right, try this one. A box of mixed biscuits, a mixed biscuit box." The children giggled again, their faces full of concentration. They took deep breaths and gave it their best shot, but the words still tangled on their tongues. Polly squawked happily and flapped around, flying circles inside her cage. This went on for a while, with Polly tossing tongue twisters and the children playfully trying to repeat them. At the end of their fun session, Polly said, "You're all getting better. Remember, practice makes perfect, and there's always joy in trying." The children waved goodbye, their hearts filled with the joy of laughter and the cheerfulness of Polly.